Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's class, we are going to learn the vocabulary. Start with the word G. Alphabetically, we are learning German vocabulary. So today we will learn the vocabulary. Most popular words start with the alphabet G. So the first word is gut. Gut, it's a very common word, means good. Good. Genau. Genau means exactly. Genau means exactly. Exactly. Genau means exactly. Gift. Remember, this word is very important. Gift means it's not a gift or present something. Okay, it means poison. In German, gift is a very negative word. It means poison. Poison means gift. Gross means big, like big, small. So gross is big. You can note down these words. These are very important. Gleich has a lot of meaning, like similar, equal to. Gleich. Gleich means same, something which is same, similar, equal. Gleichfalls. Gleichfalls has nothing to do with gleich. It means same to you. Sometimes we say, like we give somebody best of luck or just give someone good wishes. Okay, so Gleichfalls, same to you. Gerade. Gerade means straight. Straight, or gerade means also just now. Gegenüber is a preposition. Gegenüber means opposite. Like somebody is standing here and this is opposite. Gegenüber. It is a preposition, dative preposition. Gegenüber. Then we have gehen is a verb, means to go. When we go step by step, gehen. It's a very normal verb, gehen, to go. Gang is a passage, pathway. Pathway. रास्ता जिसको बोलते corridor. Gang. Then grüß means greet करना. To greet someone, grüß. Grüß. Gewinn means profit. Okay, if you are doing some business, so profit or loss, so Gewinn is your profit. How much? Okay, it's a profit, percentage or whatever numbers you can take up. So Gewinn, profit. Gegenteil means opposite. Gegenteil is opposite. Opposite words, Gegenteil. And then we have Großvater, Großmutter, grandfather, grandmother. Gemein means to mean. Somebody is very mean. मतलबी हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Gemein is very mean. Selfish. Gemein. It's an adjective. So this is the first page. Now we go to the second page of the vocab. Gefahr. Gefahr is danger. You know danger. There is sign. Danger sign. Gefahr. Danger. And gefährlich means dangerous. It's an adjective. Something is gefährlich. Dangerous. Gefährlich. Gott is God. Gott is God. Gotten. Goddess, gotten. Gott means God. Grenze is the border. Border of something. Border. Grenze. Border. Gipfel. Gipfel is paramount, zenith, pinnacle, height, very extreme height. Pinnacle. This is called Gipfel. At the top. Ganz, whole, completely. Ganz klar, completely clear. Ganz gut, very good. Geradeaus, again geradeaus means when you go straight. On the way, geradeaus, gehen Sie geradeaus, go straight. Geradeaus. Gefühl is a feeling, your emotions. Gefühl is your emotion, feeling. Gefühl. Gemeinsam is together. Gemeinsam, together. Together, साथ में. Gemeinsam. Geistisch, mentally, spiritual. Mentally, spiritual. Geistisch. Something related to your brain, your mental health. Geistisch. Glück, good luck. Glück, good luck. Opposite is Pech, bad luck. Glücklich, happiness. Happy. Somebody is happy. Glücklich, very happy. Gasthaus. Guest house. You remember this word? Gast means guest. Also guest house. Gegen, against. This is a preposition. Gegen, against. And gratulieren is a verb that means congratulate, to congratulate somebody on some occasion. Congratulate, gratulieren. So this was the second page. Now we move on to the next page of the vocabulary. I hope you are writing down these words. Gesamt. Gesamt is total. Total, Gesamt. Group is like English word group. Group. Group 1, group 2, group. Gurk is cucumber. Cucumber is gurk. Grund is reason for something. To give reason, grund. Geschichte, story. You narrate something. You narrate a story. Geschichte. Geruch is smell. Geruch is smell. Smell. Geruch. Smell. Gucken. Gucken means to see. Sehen. We also say sehen. Gucken. To see. To see. Gucken. And Gürtel is a belt. Belt we use in a trouser, pant, jeans, Gürtel. Gesellschaft is a society, your neighborhood. Gesellschaft, society. Gericht, dishes, cuisine. In restaurant, we eat different types of cuisine, dishes, Gericht. Gymnasium is a type of school, this is senior secondary school, where you have 13 classes. And after that, you write Abitur exam. So in the gymnasium, you have the possibility to write Abitur exam. Abitur is the last exam in the school, Abitur. Grammatik is a grammar. Grammar is called Grammatik. Glückwunsch, best wishes. Good wishes. Glück and Wunsch, 2 words. Good wishes. Gleis is a platform. On the railway track, you have seen there is a platform. So this is Gleis. Gefängnis is jail, behind the bar. Like we say, I will put you behind the bar if you do any mistake, any trouble. Gefängnis, it's a noun, das Gefängnis. Now this is the last page. Geburtstag, birthday. Gedanken, thought, with thinking, thought process, Gedanken. Gebirge is hills, hills, Gebirge. Gewicht is weight, we carry weight, we measure the weight, Gewicht. Geld, money, Geld is money, we know that Geld is money. And Gehirn is your brain, brain is Gehirn, das Gehirn. Geschenk is present, you give somebody present, gift on the occasion, marriage anniversary, birthday, and something like that. Grippe is person suffering from cold, cough and fever. Grippe, grippe is a disease, D-grippe. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.